Good morning, all of you. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to study about God is Almighty. Lesson 1. God is always watching. When we do something wrong, we try to hide it from others. We think that nobody is watching us. The truth is that God is always watching us. So, next time you act, remember God is watching you. Say this prayer in your class every day. Oh God, we love you and thank you for giving us everything. Help us to start every day in thy name. Bless us with your love and guide us all through our life. Thank you, God. All of you learn the prayer and say this prayer in the class every day. Read this story about a boy who was lost in the jungle and how God saved him. Okay, now we can see the story. Raymond was a 4-year-old boy. One day, he, along with his parents and others, went for a picnic to the riverside. Near the river, there was a dense jungle full of wild animals. On the picnic spot, Raymond's mother got busy in preparing food. His father went to fetch water and firewood. Some people got busy in playing. Some went to the river for swimming. Raymond was a naughty boy. He decided to go to the jungle to see what his father was doing. Yes, in this portion we are learning two new words. One is die. Die means you. And next one is naughty. Naughty means disobedient. Okay, now we can continue our story. Raymond moved towards the jungle. There he saw some beautiful butterflies. He went on chasing them. Soon he reached the middle of the jungle. He felt hungry and tired. He could not decide what to do now. So he started crying. Since he was tired, he slept under a tree. On the picnic spot, when Raymond's parents did not find him, they became worried. They started searching him everywhere but could not locate him. It was dusk by then and they had to leave the spot. They started to pray to God to keep their son safe. The jungle was dark. Raymond was all alone. He could hear the lions roar and the bears growl. He was so frightened that he started crying loud. Meanwhile, a woodcutter saw Raymond crying. He came closer to Raymond. Raymond told him the whole story. The woodcutter patted Raymond and made him feel comfortable. He took Raymond along with him to his house. Raymond's parents were happy to see their son. They thanked the woodcutter for his kind deed. Children, God is always there to help you. He watches every time and everywhere. Yes, my dear students, God is always there to help you. He watches every time and everywhere. From this story, we will get one nice moral, that is, God is almighty and ever loving. Yes, from this portion, we are learning two new words. One is frightened. Frightened means become afraid. Then next is comfortable. Comfortable means easy or calm. Now we can see the question answers. First one, what kind of boy was Raymond? Yes, he was a naughty boy. Then what was Raymond chasing in the jungle? Butterflies. Then who saved Raymond? Woodcutter. Then true or false? God is always watching us. Yes, true. Raymond and his parents went for a picnic. Yes, that's also true. Raymond was afraid of wild animals. That also true. The woodcutter saw Raymond laughing. Yes, that is false. Raymond's parents punished the woodcutter. That also false. Then see the question answers. Where did Raymond and his parents go? Raymond and his parents went for a picnic to the riverside. Then second one, how did Raymond reach in the middle of the jungle? Raymond moved towards the jungle he saw and chased some beautiful butterflies. Thus he reached in the middle of the jungle. Then third one, why did Raymond start crying? Raymond reached middle of the jungle and he felt hungry and tired. Okay. Then fourth one, in what way did God help Raman? When Raman was alone in the jungle, a woodcutter came to him and he took Raman along with him to his house. Then why did Raman's parents thank the woodcutter? Raman's parents thanked the woodcutter for his kind deed. The woodcutter saved Raman from the jungle. So Raman's parents thanked him. Okay, my dear students, all of you read the lesson 3 times and try to do the question answers and activities. Thank you.